All right, here we go. Stanley's back. Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. StatumUSA.com. 704-966-1650. Our new shop number. Real quick, I'm going to just show you how to take the cover off of a new style. This is a new style M9. You may want to take the cover off just in case to replace some parts, pressure relief valve, or get into the reservoir and clean it. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 9/16 wrench, and a 1/2 inch wrench. Basically, there's 6 screws on the top. I'll take all those off. If you're a do-it-yourselfer and you want to, tackle the tasks of repairing your autoclaves, we got lots of videos on our website, StatumUSA.com, or you can give us a call. We do custom videos in a lot of cases. These two are off, these two are off. You're also going to have a couple in the back here. Very important also, I didn't show you this, you're going to want to take the power cord out or disconnect the power so you don't shock yourself. We do have to take all 4 covers off, unfortunately, or all 4 sides off, unfortunately, to just get to the reservoir. It's not as easy as the newer style. One goes there. Monica, this video is especially for you. Another screw in the back here. This will disconnect like this. You can pretty much just leave all the wires connected here and lay it down. And then one more important thing, when we take the cover off, we have to disconnect this. And to do that, you come up under here and come on this side real quick. There's a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screw right in here. You just loosen it enough to where we can just slide the ring over. Slide the ring over. Some cases, like mine, you may have to unscrew the whole thing. And then you're going to want to come over here. This is the PC board. Be very careful around here, but we're going to want to flip these flaps on there and pull this out. That's how you take the cover off. Again, put this somewhere. Now, if you need to replace the pressure relief valve, we have a video to replace that. More videos to come in regards to replacing temp sensors and other such parts. But we are gonna, now you're gonna take this, slide that over, pick this up. This pops right out. Take that out. And you're going to slide this over and this out. And then you want to come in and look in here. We are going to be taking this coil off, but this is also how you get to the machine and clean this reservoir. So it's probably not a bad idea to take it apart, look inside there. There's going to be probably a lot of floaties and biofilm. Hopefully there's none in mine. So you're going to need a 9/16 wrench, 1/2 inch wrench to get this coil off. You take the 9/16 and you put it on this back fitting right here. And then you take your 1/2 inch and you put it right on here. And you just spin it. Hold this one, spin this. That's loose. You should be able to get that out like so. Okay, thank you. If you need any help, give us a call, 704-966-1650. Bye.